I know that you're all facing problem to create or to form sentences when you are trying to talk with someone in this language. Actually, guys, it is quite common and natural to feel this way. And you know what? Most of the English fluent speakers must have felt the same way that we are feeling now. Because this language is a foreign language and moreover, it is not our native language. We are not only trying to learn this language, we are also trying to attain the fluency in this language. So it is gonna take our patience and time and each and everything in order to reach that fluency level. And you have to be pre-prepared for each and everything. And second of all, we are learning this language as a second language, so it is going to take some time to translate from our native language to English language. We can't directly switch from our local language to English language because it is going to take some time, and it has to undergo some process, guys. We need to have some limited words and sentences in this language, then only we will be able to express ourselves in this language fluently in front of somebody. So that is the fact that we should acknowledge. So, what is the solution to this problem which can help us to improve, or which can help us to make sentences while we are communicating with others? The only solution to this problem is practicing. Practicing is not about watching any videos or writing something in English, or like reading something in English. It is about speaking as much as possible. First of all, you have to come out of your comfortable zone. Stop practicing this language from your comfortable zone. Of course, I do accept it and I do agree with that we completely resist to step out of that comfortable zone that we have been living for years and years. And you know what, guys? The moment you come out of that zone is going to be the moment that you are going to win 50% of this fluency. Most of the time, we just feel like practicing everything in that zone. But when we put ourselves in an embarrassing and in an uncomfortable zone, then we get to know the realistic moments, and then we get to know the difficulties of getting this fluency. After getting to know those circumstances and those difficulties, we will be hard, we will be very solid, we will be very strong enough to face all those problems and to stand strong against all these problems. So that is why everybody says to you to step out of that comfortable zone. Leave that zone and start practicing every single day. Practicing should be like more intensive, guys. That means you have to spend a lot of time on practicing English. That means speaking in this language when we compare it to the other activities. I do believe that you are practicing every single day this language by watching videos in English or by reading a book in this English language. But the thing is that, are you speaking as much as possible? Are you trying to talk when the time comes? No, you are not speaking because you are feeling hesitated and you are feeling anxious. Like what others think. If I stuck in the middle, what others think. If my mind goes blank in the middle of the conversation, and what if I don't get enough vocabulary words, or what if I don't get the perfect vocabulary words when I'm trying to communicate with others? We just live in that loop thinking about all these things. But the thing is that nobody cares about how you speak, because they are also learners, right? They will also make the mistakes that we are making now. So don't try to be perfect in this language when you are a beginner in this language. Try to overcome the fear of making mistakes and try to accept the way you are talking and try to accept the mistakes that you are making. Okay, and try to speak this language at your own pace. Don't try to imitate somebody else's accent or some other's English language. You do not have to copy or you do not have to imitate others. You just try to be the best version of yourself every single day and try to rectify the mistakes and try to practice as much as possible every single day. You know what, guys, if I talk about myself, you would be say that you can say that I'm talking in this language very fluently now without even taking any pauses, without making any errors. But if you guys go back to my past video, that means my first video when I uploaded that video in this channel, if you go back to that video, you will get to know how many times I made mistakes and how many times I took pauses while making that video. You do not believe me, guys. I just took more than 3 or 4 hours to make that one video. And if you watch the videos that I am uploading nowadays, you can see, you can observe a massive difference between these two videos, the video that I uploaded on the first day and the video that I uploaded today. So it is a lot of there is a lot of difference between these two, guys, because I'm practicing every single day. I'm practicing in front of the camera. It is okay even if I don't make a video for a one day. I try to record videos alternative days, right? And what about the day that I do not practice? I do one thing: either I talk to myself or I talk to the friends that I met on Talk Now application. This is what I do. And you know what, if I talk about the mistakes that I make whenever I try to speak in front of the camera, I don't even know about them. I don't know where I'm making mistakes and what kind of a mistakes I'm making them. I literally not aware of those mistakes. And if you go to my previous videos, you can find one of the viral videos. In that video I made a common mistake, and you don't believe that most of the viewers flocked to that comment box just to point out the mistakes that I made in that video. Actually, I felt very happy for them whoever pointed out the mistakes, because only because of them I'm trying to be the best version of myself. I'm trying to rectify the errors that I made in those videos. I am trying to avoid making those mistakes what I made in those previous videos. So this is how, guys, we can sort out our mistakes. If they get to know, if the opposite co-learner will get to know about your mistakes, they will automatically point out your mistake and will tell you that you should not use this. Instead of, you can use this alternative like this. So what is the problem, guys? We don't have to be panicked just about our mistakes. We should just practice. A lot means a lot. Just because of this fear, we are not able to practice enough. That is why we are facing this problem, that is to make a proper sentences whenever we try to speak in this language. Of course, this is the reason why our mind goes blank in the mid of the conversation. You have to articulate the ideas or the feelings, whatever that resides in your brain or in your mind, in your language and in your own way. Do not think about what others think or what others say. If I make mistakes or if I not talk in a confident way, nobody will judge you, guys. Nobody will judge you. But what we always think is we just try to be perfect in this language. We just try to achieve this fluency. And you know one thing, guys, expecting things to change without putting any efforts is just like waiting for a ship at the airport. So what we always do is we try to get this fluency without even practicing, without even speaking, or without even putting any single effort. This is just going to be like that saying. So please try to speak as much as possible and try to step out of your comfortable zone and accept your mistakes and accept the way you are speaking. Of course, making sentences in our mind while we are talking is not going to be a walk in the park, guys. It is indeed an arduous task. It took a lot of time for me to master this. So that is why I'm able to talk like this, because of the practice that I did when I was a beginner and when I was at intermediate level. So just it just depends on the way you are practicing and how much time you are spending on speaking and how much time you are giving every single day. You should not even skip for a one day, guys. If you do not have any partner, try to speak to yourself. It may sound creepy, it may sound awkward or odd to you, but you should do it because your goal is to reach this fluency. If your passion is to become fluent speaker in this language, then you have to take up each and every challenge that is gonna come in this way, that is gonna come in your journey. So please accept each and everything, and please practice each and every day, and do not feel dejected, guys. It is common to feel this way, and you'll definitely overcome this problem gradually. Okay, so just trust yourself that you can do it, and you will definitely able to achieve this fluency one day. That will come definitely, guys. That one day has come in my journey. So why can't you get that one day come in your journey? It will also be possible for you all with your hard work and with your persistence and your determination. So please try to maintain your focus on this language, and especially on speaking this language with others. So that is all I wanted to say. At the end of the video, what I wanted to say is just take care of yourself and health, and try to be happy and be patient enough until you get this fluency. Okay, bye bye.